Welcome, dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a long time, I'm busy in other works. Today, in this video, I will share with you very stylish, latest bathroom decoration ideas. I hope you will love these designs and also share my video with your friends. And if you are ready to transform your bathroom into a stylish and inviting space, in this video we will explore a variety of inspiring and creative bathroom decorating ideas that will help you achieve the perfect ambience and enhance the overall look of your bathroom. From small changes to complete makeovers, these ideas will guide you in creating a bathroom that is both beautiful, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. One simple yet effective way to update your bathroom is by changing the color schemes. Consider painting the walls in a fresh and soothing color that complements your existing fixtures and accessories. Soft naturals like white, peach, and pastels create a clean and calming atmosphere, while bolder colors like blues or greens and a vibrant and energizing touch. Don't forget to coordinate your two towels, rugs, and shower curtains with the new color scheme to create a cohesive look. To add a touch of luxury to your bathroom, consider upgrading your fixture and hardware. Swap out old faucets, shower heads, and towel wars with a modern and sleek design that match your desired style. And I hope you will like these new bathroom decoration ideas and the new modern and very attractive ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please keep on watching my YouTube channel for more updates. I hope you will love these designs, and hopefully I will make more videos and make uploads for you. And again, thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.